In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you monetize your YouTube channel if you have less than 1,000 subscribers? Make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Also, this video is a part of a video series for a new channel that I've launched called Start the Channel. If you are interested in learning how to start a successful YouTube channel, make sure you click the link in the description and subscribe. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I'm going to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in the opener, we are going to take a look at the YouTube requirements if you can or cannot monetize with less than 1,000 subscribers and some additional revenue streams that you could start planning and creating today. For the purposes of this video, we are actually going to use startthechannel.com. It is a YouTube channel that is teaching you how to start a YouTube channel and make money. All right, so first things first, let's take a look and see what YouTube has to say about monetization. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, and that's the program that will pay you when ads run in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos, you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You cannot apply to this YouTube Partner Program without these minimum requirements. And even if you hit these minimum requirements, you may not still be eligible. There are other reasons why you wouldn't be eligible, including, when we look at here, repetitious content. If we look, there's one other one here, reuse content. If you fail these two manual checks, you will not be monetized. However, there's some other ways that you can make money outside of the YouTube Partner Program. Now, the cool thing with the methods that I'm going to cover today actually allow you to make money alongside the YouTube Partner Program. Let's say you do get monetized, as well as without. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So again, we're going to use this example here, startthechannel.com, where we help you start and grow a successful YouTube channel. Now, with this channel alone, we could make money in a variety of ways with affiliate marketing. Let me go ahead and explain. Think about what's required for a successful YouTube channel. You need probably a microphone, a camera of some sort, maybe computer or video editing equipment, something to help you with your thumbnails. You need something to help you with keyword research. There's a ton of stuff that you need to start a successful YouTube channel. So the first thing would be with affiliate marketing. As I mentioned, you could become an affiliate for Amazon, and we could look up something like best DSLR camera for YouTube, just like that. And you could potentially be an affiliate for the best DSLR cameras for YouTube. So this is one way. And assuming that you would get paid a 3% commission on these cameras, you'd be making a couple dollars per sale. You could be an affiliate for lighting, for green screens, for microphones, for video editing equipment, as I mentioned. You could also be an affiliate for Canva. If I go back over here and we go to Canva, they have an affiliate program as well. People tend to use Canva for their thumbnails and their channel art and their banner. You could be an affiliate for Canva and make money when someone signs up for the premium or the paid version of Canva. You can also be an affiliate for Fiverr. And Fiverr does have an affiliate program where you earn a commission anytime someone starts a new Fiverr account and makes a purchase. Now, again, you can be an affiliate because people will like to hire somebody to do their thumbnails and their channel art, so you can make money that way. You can also be an affiliate for various video editing platforms like Adobe. They have an affiliate program. There's also a few of them out there as well. So the first and probably easiest way is with affiliate marketing. I just listed like 7 or 8 different ways that you can make money simply with affiliate marketing. Another way that you can make money is selling your own digital product. Maybe you've created a course, or you will create a course to teach people how to start a successful YouTube channel. You can package up your knowledge and sell it for as little as $5. When people purchase the course, whether it's an ebook or it's an actual video course, they will get instant access to it and you make money. Now, the cool thing is you can hire somebody over on Upwork for as little as $5 or $10. Or excuse me, you can hire someone on Upwork for as little as $80, and they will actually write an ebook for you. You can also pay someone to create a video course for you as well. So you can create your own digital or physical product. I personally like digital products, but you can do either or. Another way that you can make money is with email marketing. And the reason why you can make money with email marketing is you can send an email out anytime you have new information. Let's say I upload a brand new video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I can send an email out letting people know that, hey, I've got a new video out. And if I'm sending people to this video, it's going to let YouTube know that this is a good video, and it's going to increase the likelihood that this content is going to get pushed out to more people. So email marketing is great. You can also send an email anytime there's a new product out. There's a new product launch that you want to be a part of, you can send an email. Now, the key to all of this is you have to make sure that it's congruent to your target audience. I couldn't send an email telling them that there are new basket weaving patterns, because these people are only interested in learning how to grow a successful YouTube channel. Again, I couldn't be an affiliate for basketweavers.com, once again, because the people that join your mailing list are only interested in the actual content that you're creating. Again, my YouTube channel is going to be about starting a successful YouTube channel. And so you want to make sure that you are providing content that is congruent. Another way that you can make money is starting a merch store. Now with YouTube, you need 10,000 subscribers to have a merch shelf, as you can see here. However, you can start a successful Teespring store, and you can put a link right to the shop or the shelf or the store, whatever you want to call it, right into the description of your videos. And you can actually create all sorts of logos and designs and inspiration. You want to make sure that you're not infringing on anyone's copyright, and be aware of that. But what you could do is you could hire someone over on Fiverr to actually create merch for you. Now, again, you can do all of this from 0 subscribers. Just know that if you aren't getting a ton of views, you're not getting a ton of subscribers, it's going to be difficult for you to start making money right away. But if you get these things in place right away, you will start seeing growth, exponential growth, with your subscriber and view count. So every 100 subscribers, you could see a significant increase in revenue because you've put these things in place beforehand. But there are tons of ways that you can make money. We've talked about affiliate marketing, email marketing, the Teespring store. We've talked about selling digital products, and then you can also start a Patreon as well. A Patreon, basically, you are going to offer more content, more exclusive and intimate access to you for a monthly recurring subscription. As you can see here, this is just an example, but you can do early access discounts, you can do live streams, loyalty gifts, and so on right here. The only drawback to Patreon is that you have to come up with additional content. And if you are a brand new content creator, I recommend that you focus only on your YouTube channel until it is grown and successful enough. But starting a Patreon is another way. But as you can see here, you can start making money with a YouTube channel, and it doesn't have to have any subscribers. This channel here only has 6 subscribers, and there's a number of ways. I also forgot to mention, you can make money with TubeBuddy and vidIQ, and even Morning Fame for keyword research. There's a lot of opportunity out here to make money with starting a YouTube channel. So just know that going forward, there's tons of opportunity. You don't have to wait on the YouTube Partner Program to start making money. Most people, most YouTubers, unfortunately wait for the YouTube Partner Program to start making money, and then they realize that the amount of money that they're getting from the Partner Program isn't that much. But if you do things like affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products, starting a Patreon, starting email, that's going to help you maximize the amount of money, and YouTube Partner Program will kind of be like that cherry on top. So if this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell. Also check out this channel, startthechannel.com, where we show you step-by-step how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload my next video. This again was Alston with alstongodbolt.com. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.